Hi guys, and welcome back to Veda Day 4. Today I'm going to be showing you my laundry routine as well as a tour of my laundry room. So let's get started. If I have multiple loads of laundry to do, I always sort them out in different piles. So here I have a colored pile, a black pile, a gray pile because I have a ton of gray clothing. I have my towels, my blankets, and then I have all my undergarments, which I'll actually put in my undergarment bags and then wash them with one of the set of clothes. But this process usually does take me about 5 to 10 minutes just because while I'm sorting, I'm also checking for like change in pockets of the pants. And I'm also flipping all my clothes right side out so that when I'm folding them, I don't have to worry about doing that. And that way I can just throw the load of laundry in, don't worry about change or anything, and it makes the folding process easier. Now putting my first load of laundry in, I use my all free and clear laundry detergent and my Lysol laundry sanitizer, which I don't add till the rinse cycle, which I'll show you guys in a minute on my washer. I run most of my cycles on cold just because I'm not really trying to get any stains out, and I'm using the laundry sanitizer, which will sanitize for me. And there's the rinse cycle, so I let it run for a little bit and then come back when it's on the rinse cycle and put my Lysol laundry sanitizer in and then let it keep running. After the first load is done in the washer, it's time to put it in the dryer. I use these Bounce dryer sheets and this lavender essential oil. I put on some dryer balls, just a few drops. This makes your clothes smell extra fresh, especially when you're using free and clear and unscented things. This definitely gives it a nice lavender scent. I also will check my lint trap because it gets pretty dirty between each load, and then I discard of all that lint trap garbage in the trash can that's right there on my dryer. Now I'm throwing my undergarments as well as my colored load in. I got these garment bags from Amazon and they're amazing. I also make sure to flip my socks right side out just so again I don't have to do that during the folding process. And these bags help me so I don't lose all of my socks and just end up with a whole bunch of mismatched socks. So if you guys don't have these bags, I definitely recommend getting some. Also, make sure you guys stick around to the end. I will be giving you a tour of my laundry room where I keep all of my extra stockpile items like laundry detergents and cleaning products. Now that my first load is done completely, I pulled that out of the dryer, threw the second load into the dryer, and then started another load in the washer. And now it's time to finally start folding. I like to do it as each load is done just to not have an overwhelming pile. And you guys can see the hangers right there. I like to just pull them out and then hang things all at once and then take them over to my closet and hang them up just to save a little bit of time and energy, because going back and forth in the closet and back to the bed is just a pain. So definitely pull your hangers out before, especially if you're doing all your laundry in one day. If you guys are curious how I organize my closet, I will put my closet organization video up top as well as down below in the description box. If you guys are curious what I do between each load, because I don't sit around and wait, I usually get other cleaning done around my house, like dishes, mopping, sweeping, vacuuming. And if you guys are looking for more cleaning motivation, I have plenty of that here on my channel. So I'll link some videos down below in the description box, as well as at the end of the video. Let me know down in the comments how many people's laundry you do in your household. Luckily, I only have to do my own laundry, but I know a lot of people have kids and husbands and wives. So how many people do you have in your family that you do laundry for? As you guys can see, the lighting is very different because this took me all day, but now that the laundry is finally all clean and folded, I will take my lint trap and just vacuum it out because it's had a rough day and needs an extra good cleaning. And then I will vacuum my dryer. Whoever lived here before me painted over it instead of actually like fixing it, so I can't wipe it with a wipe, so I have to vacuum it, and it's kind of a pain, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So now a quick tour of my laundry room. It's nothing exciting, but this is where I keep a lot of supplies. So obviously I have my washer and dryer, and then over here I have extra supplies, which I'll show you guys in a minute. Up top I keep all my extra detergent, Kleenex, and some dish detergent. And then I keep dryer sheets, more laundry detergent, and some dog and cat food over in the corner. And if you guys are wondering, I do not keep this all for myself. A lot of it goes to my family. This silver and clear cart I got from Michael's, and I just keep my current products as well as my cat food. And then I keep extra supplies in there, as well as my Dyson vacuum, which fell off the wall, so I need a better spot. But this is just what I keep in this little container. I keep my labels and stickers in the top drawer, my pens in the second drawer, my pencils in the third drawer, my markers in the fourth drawer, and then my highlighters in the fifth drawer. Next I have my post-it notes, which I don't know why, I'm obsessed with post-it notes, so I have plenty of those. I have dry erase markers, which I don't have a label for yet. I have extra folders. These are usually like the 5-star ones because those are my favorite. And then I have all my vacuum extra handles and stuff. And lastly is our cat food. I used to be an extreme couponer, so that's why I have a huge supply of all these products. Over on this other side, I keep household products and stuff that I usually try and give away that aren't like my favorite. So I have tissue and hand towels. I have all my Febreze and some hand sanitizer. I have all my wipes and like basic cleaning products here on these two shelves, and disinfectants. I have toilet bowl cleaner as well as dish soap and flushable wipes, and then more detergent, bleach, Swiffer pads, and dish detergent. And lastly, here I have my extra grocery bags and my paper towel. So that's going to be the end of the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you guys are doing laundry today too. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check out these other videos as well as my Veda playlist, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.